Today we're reading hate comments and eating some frozen better good Louisiana dry rub wings. And I got some macaroni and cheese with extra cheese, dog. Bro, this mug looks so good, dog. And you know I'm hungry. Why do you slurp everything you eat, especially when it's dry? Because you ain't gonna stop me, baby. I hear black, but I don't see black. Appreciate it, big dog. That's the best compliment I've gotten all week, baby. Never had someone slurp dry meat. Never had? Oh, you've never given... What? I had to give that one a little extra slurp, baby, because I don't swing that way. Your eating voice makes me gag. My eating voice, big dog? How are you taller sideways than you are vertical? That's a good one, big dog. Because I'm a little wide, baby. Double wide. Certified. We gonna swap over and read a love comment, baby. Best mukbanger. Love you, dog. You're beautiful, too. Appreciate it, big dog. I love you more, and you're more beautifuler than I am, baby. If you've made it this far in the video, you're beautiful, and I love you, baby.